Assalamualaikum everyone. Good day. This is Nafiza Sultana 𝐄𝐬𝐡. I'm a first year student of College of Nursing, 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐡. Thank you, sir, for giving a nice floor. The motion before this house today is qualities that make a good nurse. So I'd like to present it. You know what quality is defined as some features or characteristics of a person or thing. To be both successful and ideal in nursing, it helps to have certain personal characteristics or attributes such as sincerity, responsibility, hard work, ethics, discipline, obedience, versatility, and so on. These are causing the landscape of medicine to shift as constantly innovations are introduced at breakneck speed. Good nurses contribute to the success and stability of the institutions and to the physical or mental well-being to the patients. And good nurses give not only care to the patients but also give a piece of heart to feel their untold worth. So now I'd like to relate some features which proves that he or she is a good nurse. These are follows. Firstly, the motto of life or commitment. The motto of life of a good nurse should become a qualified nurse. It may be gained by some achieving qualities thoroughly. Nurses' whole thinking should be about their patient's comfort out of the personal life. It's a great characteristics of a good nurse. Then, love of work. Without love of work, one can successful in any spheres of life. Good work brings strength in character, inspiration, and satisfaction. Otherwise, the work become lifeless or boring. So, it's very important for an ideal nurse. Then, most important common manners. Never forget that manners makes a person, and it's a vital part of our life. It enhances our life, but to become successful. Um, these are follows the most important common manners: truthfulness, obedience, hard work, discipline, versatility, advocacy, courtesy, gentleness, quietness, and patience, and so on. These are helps um, to reach the peak of success. Then hard work. Hard work is the main part of success. Without hard work, a man cannot prosper in life. So it is the mother of good luck. So it should be quality of a good nurse. Then dedication. And a qualified nurse should have the dedicated motive. She or he always must be professional oriented. Then empathy and sympathy. Empathy is the ability to feel what another persons are experiencing from their point of view. It is the ability to feel the heart of another, to see the eyes of another, to hear the ears of another. So through empathy, a nurse is able to understand and accept the thoughts and feelings of a patients. Mm, and sympathy is different from empathy. Sympathy means through sympathy, a nurse shares the thoughts and feelings of the patient. Um, these feelings and thoughts are generally related to loss. Uh, then loyalty. A good nurse should remember that she has some responsibilities to uphold the honor and good name of the institutions and college. She should always loyal to the patient. That she may learn about more information uh, and personal affairs of the clients. And then optimistic outlook and open-mindedness. A quick warm smile may be more therapeutic than close to medicine. So it's very important for the patients. And open-mindedness is the first condition to give care people. Um, uh, by this open-mindedness, patients feel comfort uh, more and more. Then problem solving skills and creativity. Problem solving skills means a nurse should evaluate to all the facts and come to the rational objectively. And a qualified nurse uh, should uh, uh, should be always innovative in her all deeds. It will bring is zone for the patients. Healthcare is constantly changing, and a great nurse can change it properly. So, and that's all about my today's opinion for the topic. Thanks for concentration. Allah Hafiz.